This simple towel can withstand temperatures over 300 degrees, while also drying you quickly and effortlessly. Meet the humble towel, a staple in our daily lives that's more than just a piece of cloth. It's been a trusted companion for centuries, providing comfort and warmth after a refreshing bath or a long workout. But have you ever stopped to think about the incredible science behind this ordinary object? From its water-wicking properties to its ability to withstand scorching temperatures, the towel is a true marvel of engineering. So let's dive into the fascinating world of towel technology and uncover the secrets behind this everyday hero. To start, we need to understand the concept of capillary action, which is the reason why towels are so effective at absorbing water. Imagine a network of tiny tubes, like a miniature version of a tree's roots, that allow the towel to draw in liquid and wick it away. But that's not the strangest part. The towel can also withstand temperatures of over 300 degrees, making it resistant to heat damage. To achieve this, manufacturers use a combination of special fibers and treatments that enhance the towel's thermal properties. For example, some towels feature a unique blend of cotton and polyester that provides exceptional durability and temperature resistance. But wait until you hear what comes next. Some towels can even dry you quickly and effortlessly, thanks to their advanced moisture-wicking capabilities. This is achieved through the use of specialized fibers that draw in moisture and evaporate it rapidly, leaving you feeling dry and comfortable. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you dry off after a shower, without any effort on your part. The towel's ability to dry quickly is also due to its unique texture and weave, which allows for maximum airflow and evaporation. In fact, some high-end towels feature a special weave that's designed to maximize airflow and speed up the drying process. But what happens when you expose the towel to extreme temperatures? Does it still perform well? Surprisingly, yes, the towel can withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees, making it an incredibly versatile and durable product. This is because the fibers used in the towel are resistant to heat damage and can maintain their integrity even at extreme temperatures. In fact, some towels are even designed to be used in industrial settings, where they're exposed to high temperatures and heavy use. So, what can we learn from the humble towel about the importance of materials science and engineering? For one, the towel's ability to withstand extreme temperatures and dry quickly is a testament to the power of advanced materials and design. It also highlights the importance of understanding the science behind everyday objects and how they work. By exploring the fascinating world of towel technology, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible engineering that goes into creating these ordinary objects. And who knows, maybe one day we'll develop towels that can even dry us off in midair, or withstand temperatures of over 1,000 degrees. But for now, let's just appreciate the incredible science behind this simple, yet extraordinary product. Want more mind-blowing facts about everyday objects? Subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this. And don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite towel-related fact or story. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.